Welcome to this video on the top 10 free AI tools for students. In 2026, AI is a powerful way to transform your study habits, save time, and help you work smarter. As a student, you face heavy workloads and high expectations. When time runs out and information overload hits, stress follows. Let's see how AI can help. To succeed, you need a smart system. This video outlines a 4-step AI workflow: research, analyze, build, and present. Each phase connects to keep your progress seamless. Phase 1 is research. Perplexity is a great tool that searches the live web to find exact facts. It cites real sources instantly, helping you avoid fake information. Next, Google Notebook LM reads your textbooks. You can upload dozens of course documents, and the AI creates study podcasts, allowing you to learn through listening. For deeper analysis, use Claude AI. It processes massive amounts of text to help you understand complex ideas and write essays, making difficult subjects much easier to grasp. When brainstorming projects, ChatGPT is your partner. It generates quick drafts and organizes ideas based on custom instructions that learn your voice and preferred structure. If you are coding, GitHub Copilot is invaluable. Students can access the developer pack to get AI suggestions for entire code blocks, helping you learn programming faster. Need data visualization? Camel AI allows you to ask questions in plain English about your spreadsheets. It analyzes the data and builds beautiful charts without requiring complex SQL. Canva simplifies design. Its AI features can remove messy backgrounds and help you build stunning project visuals, even if you have no previous design skills. Gamma generates your presentation slides. Just type a simple outline, and the AI formats every slide, saving you hours of manual work. CapCut handles your video projects. It uses AI to edit your clips, write accurate subtitles, and automatically remove quiet pauses for a professional result. Finally, Otter.ai is perfect for lectures. It listens in real time, writes transcripts, and highlights key decisions so you can review perfect notes later. This matrix helps you categorize all 10 tools. By mapping them by ease of use and focus, you can quickly choose the best fit for your specific needs. By linking these tools into an AI stack, you boost your productivity, reclaim your free time, and set yourself on the path to becoming a top student.